Haven. Go upside down, baby. Peeps taste test. That's right. Here today, we're going to find out if these colored Peeps all taste the same or
different.
are they all different?
Flavors.
We're going to find out. We're going to get set up here. We're going to find out. Y'all stay right with us. I'm Papa Texas. These girls are going to taste test it for you. We'll be right back. First, the blue ones. All right, everybody, take you a little bite and let's see, does it have flavor or not? It's marshmallow and it's sugar.
I don't really like. There's a little bit.
You really like it?
There's a little bit of it.
Is there a taste that matches the color?
A little.
I don't think so. I don't think this is working. We'll be right back for number 2. Now for the yeller ones. Let's try it. Okay, that has a little bit of different flavor to it. Maybe this does work. Does it taste yellow? I should make it taste like a banana.
I
All right.
They should make the marshmallow part like different flavors for the different colors.
I'll email them tonight. Alright, so it's a little bit different than the blue, huh? All right. Next, time for the pink. Alright, y'all, take your bites. Oh,
Yeah, it's different.
a smidge different.
I don't like it.
We'll be back for green. Now for the green. Alright, girls. I don't know if it's in my head or not, but they all taste just a little bit different. But I think they need to taste more like their color.
I'm gonna do full.
This should be an apple.
I'm gonna do this. Maddie, I don't like it.
You like half of them?
Or mint. Here, Papa.
You can't eat too many of them.
Wait, these do. I give it a little bit. Give it a thumbs down. And
Oh, we got
thumbs
purple.
up. Beep, beep.
We got one more.
I got a purple.
Last but not least, purple. Eat up, girls.
I used to eat them. They all have just like a.
Again, I say, you can eat a couple of them, but don't eat a lot of them. They're a little too much for Papa.
I don't like it either.
That's what you had today. Appreciate you watching. Get your peeps on.
Look at our pile.
See ya.